Baking a chocolate cake. Baking a chocolate cake is a joyful activity that results in a delicious treat. To start, gather the following ingredients: 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and half a cup of melted butter. Begin by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating, mix the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, in a large bowl. In another bowl, whisk the eggs and then add the milk and melted butter. Mix well. Next, combine the wet and dry ingredients and mix until a smooth batter is formed. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer the cake to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, you can frost the cake with your favorite frosting and enjoy a slice of homemade chocolate cake.